Day 3. I walk like a zombie. It still hurts, man. I pushed myself so hard that day, and to this day, it's been day 3. Still hurting, but I've done my walk and jumping. I added some of my exercise, some spices like jumping and squat, and I'd add some burgy jump, something like that, where you completely squat, and then when you go up you jump, and when you go down you squat again and repeat. I added some quite of my favorite exercises back then. This was last year. It's not that old, but yeah, today is day 3, and I've got errands to do with my mother and my auntie. I have done enough. No, I have not done enough. I've already done my errands to my best friend Tio, which is going to SM North, meet the person who we're going to buy the phone, which is a new phone for Tio. And now I got back home. I got errands to run with my family. So yeah, that's it. Let's start the day. Goodbye.